Good day, everyone. I am Lian Marie Barangco from BSEC 3C. And for ECE 23 or Communications 2, we are going to discuss about metadata, how useful metadata is, and some of its examples such as IMEI and UPC. So first, what is metadata? To be explained simply, metadata is a summary of information about a given data, or it is a form of foundation of another data. That is just a quick and precise definition of metadata, for we are going to learn more about it by showing some examples later. Just remember that metadata is used in verifying codes and information. Why is it important? In transmitting or representing digital information, especially in our daily lives. So in our current situation, in this year 2021, we are living in a digitally connected world where almost everything is metadata. Metadata plays a huge role in transmitting digital information because it analyzes or it sorts out a specific piece of data. Through metadata, the information that is being sent will be received by the receiver with the assurance that there were no error on the process, or if there would be little errors, it can be corrected and verified. Next is examples of metadata. IMEI, that stands for International Mobile Equipment Identity. It is a metadata that is present in our mobile phones. It consists 15 unique digits. And where can we find our phone's IMEI? So before, we can manually open the back part of our phone and the IMEI code is indicated there. But now we can easily find it using our dial pad. So I'm going to show you how to find it using our mobile phone's dial pad. Open our dial pad, we click asterisk, number sign, 0, 6, and number sign. There. Our IMEI info will be displayed. And now, after learning how to find IMEI digits, we are going to learn how to determine its check digit and how to validate these numbers. So the check digit of IMEI number is calculated using Loon's formula. By the way, this is the IMEI of my mobile phone and I just copied it. We're going to use the first 14 digits, which is 35335083210059. And the weight pattern that is used here is 2121. And the total of the code or their sum must be divisible by 10 to be valid. The check digit is validated by multiplying the digits with the 2121 pattern from the right. So we're going to start by multiplying the first number from the right going to the left. And we're going to do it for the rest of the numbers, alternating with 2121. That would be 9 times 2, 5 times 1, 0 times 2, 1 times 1, and so on. So first, we're going to multiply 9 by 2, that would be 18. And since that's going to be a 2-digit number, we are going to add 1 plus 8 so that we're going to have our answer, which is 9. That only applies to 2-digit products. And next is 5 times 1, which is equals to 5. 0 times 2 is equals to 0. 1 times 1, 1. 2 times 2, 4, and so on. And for another example is 8 times 2, which is 16. So we're going to add 1 and 6, and we have the code of 7. Next, the sum. The sum of the code would be added, and that's 3 plus 1 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1 plus 0 plus 7 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1 plus 0 plus 5 plus 9. with a total of 48. Now, since the rule is the total must be divisible by 10, what will we add to 48 to make it 50? And that would be 2. So 48 plus 2 is equals to 50. That makes it divisible by 10. That's how easy we can check if the code is correct. So what are we going to do with this number 2? That would be the check digit of our IMEI number, which is on the end of the code. And now, for another example of metadata is UPC, which means Universal Product Code. It is symbolized by barcodes and is used for tracking products in stores. Just like metadata, it also consists uniquely assigned numerical digits for each item, and that consists of 12 digits. We can locate UPCs in some of our household items in the forms of barcode and printed numbers. So for example, yes, we have here the code, the barcode, and the numerical codes. For an example, in verifying UPC, I just copied the universal product code and the weight pattern in UPCs is 313131. And also the last number in the code is called the check digit. And if the check digit is not given, this is how we calculate it using the 3131 pattern. So for the given code is 03320001110, and the check digit is, let's assume that it's not given. And this pattern will be applied from left to right. So at the first digit, we're going to multiply it by 3, second digit to 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, and so on. Now we are going to multiply. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 3, 9. 2 times 1, 2. 0 times 3 is equals to 0. And so on. Now, the sum must be divisible by 10. So we add 1 to 19 to have a total of 20, since their summation is equals to 19. So back again to the golden rule, which the sum must be divisible by 10. So 1 is the check digit that will be added at the end of the code. Here it is. And another way to solve or verify a UPC is we need to identify the odd number in the sequence and the even number of the sequence. Now we are going to add all the odd numbers, which is 30010. And then there's sum, which is equals to 4. We will be multiplying it by 3, which is equals to 12. For all the even numbers, we are going to add them 3 plus 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. And that's equals to 8. And lastly, we need to add the sums. That will be 20. So 20 is divisible by 10. So for more additional information and the summary of our discussion, metadata is created to make a more accurate information. It tells us a part of the data is more meaningful when it's supported with additional data. And in IMEI, there were 18 digits that are unique for each mobile phone. These number combinations enables the tracking of phones, especially those that are stolen. And lastly is UPC. UPC are made with 12 unique digits for every product. This makes the product's features to be easily identified and to distinguish each and every product from one another. It indicates the product's registration. Thank you.